Good morning, all of you. So today is 21st July 2020. The Hindu News. Open page. UK vaccine prompts protective immune response in early test GS paper 2. West Bengal governor is in news. So read from the static governor chapter of Lakshmikant's GS paper 2. Then number 3. Offers of support poured in Tamil Nadu tribal groups. Tribal girls GS paper 1 and 2 both. Editorials. No right answer GS paper 2. Rule of mob GS paper 3 and 2. More than a crisis, a chance to rebuild healthcare GS paper 2. Big reform on the wrong track GS paper 3. Hagia Sophia and Padmabhivashwami temples already done before in our news discussions. So if you have made notes from this topic, you can skip this one. But if you have not made notes, then made notes. Community canteens 2.0, GS paper 2 and 3 both. Then come the news section. India will never be a part of an alliance system. Jaishankar GS paper 2. IAF to induct 5 Rafales on 29th July GS paper 3. Case fatality rate falls further GS paper 2. Iran to continue work with India on Chabahar line. Railway chief GS paper 2. Warships meet US trick group GS paper 2. Tough new e-commerce rules kick in mid next week GS paper 3. Chardham panel split on road works GS paper 1. So Chardham is also a culture section, so you can prepare this one from the static portion. Then the world Arab hope to Mars takes off from Japan. This is from the GS paper 3 satellite. So then come the business static read ILNFC, FS and PSU Bank. So these two you have to read from the economy section static portion. Then come the affordable housing may not see purchases soon despite incentives GS paper 3. Then come the live page. Several factors could be behind the low COVID-19 case fatality rate in India. This is also from the GS paper 2. So today is almost 22 topic. It's quite huge, I think. So you can skip these sections. Governor, if you are prepared from the static one, then these two topics. Then come the ILNFS and PSU Bank. If you have prepared those topics from the static one, then you can skip this one at this moment.